What if, in an instant, Earth stopped spinning? This question might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it opens a window into understanding the intricate dynamics of our planet. Imagine our planet, frozen in its tracks, no longer twirling through the vastness of space. The very idea challenges our perception of the natural order. It's a mind-boggling concept, a scenario straight out of science fiction. Yet pondering this possibility allows us to explore the fundamental forces that govern our world. But what would the reality of such an event be like? The cessation of Earth's rotation would unleash a cascade of catastrophic events, altering the planet's landscape and climate in unimaginable ways. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic, reshaping Earth as we know it. Massive earthquakes would ripple across the globe, and tsunamis would surge with unprecedented force. The atmosphere, no longer held in place by the planet's rotation, would wreak havoc with extreme weather patterns. Winds would howl at unimaginable speeds, and weather systems would become chaotic and unpredictable. This isn't just an academic exercise. Understanding the implications of a stationary Earth highlights the delicate balance that makes our planet habitable. The rotation of Earth plays a crucial role in maintaining the stability of our environment. Additionally, Earth's rotation contributes to the generation of its magnetic field, which shields us from harmful solar radiation. Without this protective barrier, life as we know it would be at risk. The day-night cycle, driven by Earth's rotation, regulates the rhythms of life on our planet. From the growth of plants to the behavior of animals, every aspect of life is synchronized with this cycle. By exploring this hypothetical scenario, we gain a deeper appreciation for the profound influence Earth's rotation has on every aspect of our world. It reminds us of the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life on our beautiful blue planet. Earth spins at an astonishing speed, completing a full rotation on its axis every 24 hours. This rotation is responsible for our day-night cycle, a fundamental rhythm that governs life on our planet. But its influence extends far beyond this familiar pattern. Earth's spin creates the Coriolis effect, influencing the movement of air masses and ocean currents. This effect is responsible for the large-scale weather patterns we experience, from the trade winds to the jet stream. Our planet's rotation is woven into the very fabric of our world, shaping its climate, weather, and the distribution of life itself. If Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, the immediate consequences would be felt worldwide. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion, and that includes everything on Earth's surface. We're all moving at the same speed as the planet's rotation, up to 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. A sudden halt would send everything not firmly anchored to the ground hurtling eastward. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and massive tsunamis would engulf coastlines. The sheer force of this inertia would reshape continents and carve new scars across the planet's surface. The oceans, no longer held in place by Earth's rotation, would surge towards the poles. Imagine colossal walls of water, miles high, crashing inland, redrawing coastlines and submerging entire landmasses. The planet would be left with two vast oceans, one at each pole, separated by a single unbroken continent around the equator. This redistribution of water would have profound effects on Earth's climate. The polar regions, now submerged, would experience a dramatic shift in temperature, while the equatorial continent would bake under the constant glare of the sun. Section 5. A world divided: scorching days, frozen nights. Without Earth's rotation to distribute heat evenly, the planet would experience extreme temperature differences. One hemisphere would face the sun constantly, enduring scorching days that would make the Sahara Desert feel like a cool oasis. Temperatures would soar, turning once fertile lands into barren wastelands. The other hemisphere, shrouded in perpetual darkness, would freeze over. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, encasing the land in a thick layer of ice and snow. Earth would become a world of stark contrasts, a testament to the sun's unforgiving power. Section 6. Wind and fury. The atmosphere in chaos. Earth's atmosphere, no longer driven by the Coriolis effect, would be thrown into disarray. Winds would rage across the planet, reaching unimaginable speeds as air rushed from the hot, high-pressure zone to the cold, low-pressure zone. These superstorms would dwarf anything we've ever seen, making hurricanes and tornadoes look like gentle breezes. The once familiar patterns of weather would vanish, replaced by a chaotic and unpredictable system. Predicting the weather would become impossible as storms would erupt and dissipate with terrifying randomness. Section 7. Life interrupted, adapting to a still Earth. Imagine a world where the Earth suddenly stops rotating. The consequences of such an event would be catastrophic, altering the very fabric of life as we know it. The consequences of a stationary Earth would be devastating for life. The cessation of the Earth's rotation would disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems, leading to widespread environmental collapse. Many species, unable to adapt to such extreme and rapid changes, would face extinction. The sudden halt would cause drastic shifts in climate, with some regions becoming unbearably hot while others plunge into freezing temperatures. Plants, reliant on the day-night cycle for photosynthesis, would wither and die. Without the regular alternation of light and darkness, the process of photosynthesis would be severely disrupted, leading to the collapse of plant life. Animals deprived of food and accustomed to specific temperature ranges would struggle to survive. The food chain would be broken, leaving herbivores without plants to eat and carnivores without prey. The few creatures that might endure would be those capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and finding new sources of food and shelter. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in harsh conditions, might find a way to survive, but their existence would be precarious. Life on Earth would be forever altered, its diversity and abundance decimated by the planet's sudden stillness. The rich tapestry of life that once flourished would be reduced to a few resilient species, struggling to eke out an existence in a harsh and unforgiving world. The still Earth would be a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life, a balance that, once disrupted, is nearly impossible to restore. Section 8. Humanity's Challenge: Survival on a Transformed Planet. As we look towards the future, we must confront the reality of a planet that has been irrevocably altered by climate change, technological advancements, and unforeseen natural events. The Earth we once knew is no longer the same, and our survival hinges on our ability to adapt and innovate in ways we have never imagined before. Humans, with our capacity for ingenuity and adaptation, might find ways to survive in this new world. Our technological prowess will be our greatest ally, enabling us to develop solutions that can mitigate the harsh conditions we face. From advanced robotics to artificial intelligence, these tools will help us navigate and thrive in an environment that is both unpredictable and unforgiving. Underground shelters could provide refuge from the extreme temperatures and relentless storms. These subterranean havens, equipped with state-of-the-art life support systems, would offer a sanctuary where communities can live and work safely. The design of these shelters would need to account for long-term sustainability, ensuring that air, water, and food supplies are maintained without reliance on the outside world. Hydroponic farms, illuminated by artificial light, could offer a sustainable food source. These innovative agricultural systems would allow us to grow crops in controlled environments, free from the ravages of extreme weather. By optimizing nutrient delivery and water usage, hydroponics could revolutionize food production, making it possible to feed large populations even in the most inhospitable conditions. However, life would be a constant struggle against the elements. The unpredictable nature of the transformed planet means that we must always be prepared for the worst. Extreme weather events such as superstorms and heat waves would become a regular occurrence, challenging our resilience and testing our preparedness. Resources would be scarce, and the challenges of maintaining a technological civilization in such a hostile environment would be immense. The scarcity of essential resources like water, minerals, and energy would necessitate the development of new methods for resource extraction and recycling. Maintaining the infrastructure required to support advanced technology would also be a significant hurdle, requiring constant innovation and adaptation. The very fabric of human society would be tested, pushing us to the limits of our resilience and adaptability. In this new world, cooperation and collaboration would be more important than ever. Diverse groups of people would need to come together, pooling their knowledge and skills to overcome the challenges they face. Community resilience would be key, as we learn to support one another and adapt to the ever-changing conditions of our transformed planet. The journey ahead is fraught with difficulties, but it is also an opportunity for humanity to demonstrate its remarkable capacity for survival and innovation. Section 9. The Spinning Truth: Appreciating Our Rotating World. While the scenario of Earth-stopping spinning is purely hypothetical, it serves as a stark reminder of our planet's delicate balance. The forces that shape our world are interconnected and interdependent. Earth's rotation, often taken for granted, is a fundamental aspect of our planet's habitability, influencing everything from our weather to the very existence of life as we know it. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us remember the awe-inspiring power of our spinning planet and appreciate the delicate dance that makes life on Earth possible.